Have you ever wondered why some people panic during a market crash while others walk out richer than ever? Why do some lose everything while others seem to make money in the middle of chaos? The truth is that every major crash in history has created more millionaires than the biggest bull markets ever did. And the one that is coming in 2026 might be the biggest opportunity of your entire life. The real question is whether you will be ready or not. Before we go deeper, if you want more videos like this, remember to subscribe and like. It helps the channel and it helps you stay prepared for what is coming. These topics matter now more than ever because the next few years will shape the future for millions of people. Right now, things feel shaky everywhere you look. The economy is slowing down. Inflation is still eating away at savings. Interest rates are extremely high. Big companies are laying people off quietly. And even with all these problems, the stock market is near record highs as if nothing is wrong. But markets always look safe right before they collapse. The warning signs are already flashing, but most people are not paying attention. You are about to understand what is really happening and how you can turn the coming storm into one of the biggest opportunities of your lifetime. This is not fear. This is history, math, and cycles all pointing to the same outcome. The goal here is not to scare you. The goal is to prepare you. When everyone else runs from the fire, you will know exactly where the opportunity is hiding, because preparation lets you see what others cannot. The real problems are happening under the surface. The economy is being squeezed from every direction. Interest rates are the highest they have been in decades. Businesses that survived on cheap borrowing are now struggling to stay alive. Real estate prices have gone far beyond what normal people can afford. Credit card debt has exploded because many people are borrowing just to get through the month. And yet the stock market continues to climb higher, completely disconnected from reality. It is like watching someone stack bricks on a wall that is already cracking. Eventually it falls. This moment is called the late cycle illusion. It is a stage where people convince themselves that things will stay good forever. History shows this is never true. We saw it in the dot-com bubble in 2000, the housing bubble in 2008, and now we are watching the setup for the everything bubble in 2026. Every cycle ends the same way, even though the reasons always look new. There is one indicator that Warren Buffett calls the best way to tell if the stock market is overvalued. It compares the entire stock market to the size of the real economy. When this number rises too high, it means stocks are priced far above what the economy can support. Right now, this number is nearly double its long-term average. The last 2 times this happened, the market crashed hard. And this pattern is not a coincidence. It is a reminder that markets can stay overvalued for a while, but they cannot stay disconnected from the real economy forever. Then we have the Federal Reserve. Many people think that when the Fed finally cuts interest rates, everything will go back to normal. But history shows that recessions usually start after the Fed begins cutting rates, not before. Cuts happen when the economy is already breaking. That is when growth slows, profits shrink, and the system begins to fall apart. It is the moment when the problems that were hidden become too big to ignore. The housing market is another warning sign. When you adjust for inflation, home prices today are even higher than they were before the 2008 crash. People are taking very expensive mortgages just to buy houses that are already overpriced. This cannot continue forever. When something cannot continue, it eventually breaks. And when it breaks, it usually happens quickly and catches millions of people by surprise. Crypto is also following the same pattern it always has. Crypto tends to follow a cycle of 3 years up and 1 year down. This happened in 2014, again in 2018, and again in 2022. Following that same pattern, 2026 lines up with another major correction. Not just in crypto, but in all risky assets. The cycles look different on the surface, but underneath they move almost the same way every time. When you put all of this together, the picture becomes clear. Warning signs are everywhere. But where most people see danger, you can see opportunity if you are prepared. Every great investor has said that the best time to buy is when everyone else is afraid. But fear is powerful. During a crash, everything looks like it is ending. Friends tell you to sell. The news is full of panic. Your portfolio shows losses. But this is the exact moment when wealth quietly moves from the unprepared to those who stay calm. The difference comes from the decisions made before the crisis, not during it. So how do you prepare? You start before the crash happens. The first step is building your dry powder. This means holding enough cash or short-term investments so you can act when prices fall. You do not need to sell everything. Even holding around 30% cash can give you power during a crash. Warren Buffett himself was holding nearly half his company's assets in cash at one point. He understands that cash is not useless during a crash. Cash is power. By the way, quick reminder. The second step is to make your list now. Every crash creates a huge sale on great assets. Write down the companies, sectors, or investments you believe in for the long term. Look for the ones with strong profits, low debt, and leadership in their industries. When panic hits, even the strongest companies fall. And that is when you buy. Having a list prepared makes it easier to act when your emotions are pulling you in the wrong direction. The third step is patience. You do not need to buy at the exact bottom. You just need to buy while others are selling. Think about the people who bought Amazon, Apple, or Google in 2009 after the financial crisis. Think about the people who bought Bitcoin at $4,000 in 2020 when everyone said it was finished. Courage during chaos changes lives. Waiting for perfect timing delays action, and opportunity rarely waits. The fourth step is diversification. People who lose everything during crashes are the ones who put all of their money in one place. Spread your investments across different areas. You do not need to guess which one will perform best. You just need to be positioned when the recovery begins. A strong mix gives you stability while also giving you the chance to grow. The final step is mastering your mindset. Fear is emotional. Logic builds wealth. When markets fall, your brain wants to protect what you have by selling. Rich investors do the opposite. They feel fear just like everyone else, but they do not act on it. A market crash is like a storm. Weak hands get blown away. Strong hands build a foundation. The difference is discipline, and discipline is a skill you build over time. When the 2026 crash hits, you will have two choices. You can panic and follow the crowd, or you can stay calm, stay prepared, and treat the crash as a reset. Crashes reward discipline. They punish emotional reactions. Preparation creates wealth. Panic destroys it. The decisions you make today will shape the opportunities you have tomorrow. So what do you think about all of this? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and like. It helps the channel and keeps you updated on everything that is coming. Also, if you want to build a YouTube channel like this one and earn money from it, join the free Telegram community using the link below. I will see you there or in the next video. This video is for educational purposes only, and I am not a financial advisor. Your results always depend on your own actions.